faculty members in the department, as well as Bureau of Economic Geology, have been engaged in various research activities in CCUS. Today, the workshop starts at 8:30 until 12 noon Central Time, US. We have scheduled 6 presentations. Each talk lasts for 20 minutes, followed by 10 minutes question and answer session. You can write your question in the Q&A panel during the presentations, and a moderator will read the questions to the presenter and the audience, and we will be answering the question accordingly. We have 2 presentations from the Bureau of Economic Geology and 4 from the Hildebrand Department of Petroleum and Geosystem Engineering, and the meeting will be concluded by Mr. Mauricio Filaus from Semtech. These are our people that are involved in this workshop, and the first I need to bring up a couple of other things. This is the agenda for the meeting, and as you can see there, the meeting is starting at 8:30, and we have several talks, and then we have a 10-minute break. And as you can see there, we have allowed about 10 minutes for the question and answer, but we need to basically stop the question and answer after the 10 minutes so we can move on to the next talk. These presentation, question and answer, and all of that will be recorded and will be posted accordingly, just in case people are not able to attend the entire meeting, so they can look at it later. A couple of things about the meeting. One is that all the attendees are automatically muted, and then you will have your question and answer panel that you can write your question in, as these proceedings are broadcast through Zoom as well as Teams. So we could, regardless of where you are watching, you can participate in question and answer. The other thing that I want to mention that when we were testing the system, sometimes we get kicked out. Please come back to the meeting just in case that happened. Okay. Now, the